Hi kids. So here we have a very interesting question. We are asked to express 0.119 bar as a rational number, P by Q form. Alright. So let's assume x to be equal to 0.119 bar, which means x is equal to 0.119, 119, 119 and goes on endlessly. This is supposed to be equation 1. So if we can just see little carefully, we have 3 repeating digits after the decimal point. Here also 3, here also 3. So in this case, we need to multiply both ends, both sides by 1000. Alright? Okay, so 1000 here. Okay, multiplied to x gives us 1000x, and here we'll have 119.119119, and it goes on endlessly. Alright, so the next step would be to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Alright, 999x equals to 119. Therefore, x is equal to 119 divided by 999. So this is our answer. Okay? Alright. So if there is any query or any question regarding this, please do write to me in the comment section. I shall answer them, guys. And have a nice day. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.